All right, YouTubers, we're going to replace the heating element in a Pit Boss smoker. This one blew up. It was quite a loud explosion, actually. I'm glad the door was shut when it was closed. So anyway, we got to get down in here, somehow pull that thing out. I haven't figured out how to do it yet. And then here's the new one. So it looks like there should be a screw coming in from the bottom, and then, you know, just hook the wires up. So looks like three, actually probably bolts right there that come in from the bottom, I'm guessing. And then hook up the wires, and that should be it. All right, so next step is flip it upside down, remove the grease pan that was right here. Then what we're going to try to do anyway is remove this thing right here, which is the control unit. There looks like there's 4 screws in it. It should pop out, and then it'll give us easier access to where this heating element needs to get. All right, I tried taking off this guy, but after you unscrew it, it doesn't want to come off. So I'm going to try taking off this guy here with that screw there, that one, the 4 of them. Take this big piece off and see what happens. All right, so that was a key to get that thing off. And I had to use a little knife to, after I unbolted it, it was still stuck. And now we're after this guy right here. There she blows. It's about what you'd expect it to look like on the inside. 3 little bolts to hold the element in, and then a couple wires to attach to it. All right, so I'll just take those off now. Pulling the old one out, actually I had to remove this screw that was right here so that I got just a little room on this thing, and then it kind of came out and down this way, and I'm going to put the new one back in that way, but I had to remove one screw. It wouldn't come out otherwise. All right, the new one is screwed in. It's probably the hardest thing on the whole thing is getting this thing in, because this is hanging upside down then, so, but even that wasn't that hard. So this is a pretty easy project, and it's just time to put everything back together now. I'd say don't worry about this one. Easy project, go for it. All right, she's back together and heating up. I'm not gonna heat it up until it's red, but you can see the smoke coming off of it. And I did the finger test a second ago. It's hot. So it's working. That's it.